All righty. All right, guys, here we go. Let's go ahead and cover our watch list this morning. Woo! Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys for stopping in. Let's go. Oh, excuse me. All right. Let's go ahead and actually cover our watch list today. So we have INDO. We closed yesterday at 14.5. We absolutely ripped up to 23.19 during after hours and then pulled back. And now during pre-market, we actually came up and touched around 22.75, around that area in order to pull. But we did pull back. So I am watching INDO for the move higher, but I am not seeing any company-specific news, but it is an energy corporation. So they are going to move with Russia invasion of Ukraine. So INDO is one that we're going to keep on watch. We have KRBP, a biopharma stock. No really news. Kind of consolidating since after hours and pre-market. Looks like we broke low. We're coming back to retest. We'll have to see what happens. If this does not hold $1, I'm not trading this today. KB, I have EX or HEXO. We have a nice cup with a lower high. Do think we have more room lower. I'm not going to trade this below 64 cents. We have TNXP absolutely ripped up. We have a nice scam wick, it looks like, all the way up to 30 cents. A nice pop up there. So that's absolutely TNXP Pharma's. We can see that secures FDA orphan designed drug. So FDA clearance or FDA, that's a key word that we have to keep on watch. Now TNXP also has a 500 million in float. So this takes a lot to move it, but we are getting the volume. TNXP has, okay, we have around the same amount of volume as every other day. And we have IMPP as well. Dumping now, but we are holding this. Let's see if we can hold this 227 level. No news. So right now, our top stock to watch, in my opinion, is going to be TNXP. With news, low, immediate, high floats, INDO also as well. Low float, lighter volume, but we are gapping up. KRBP, low float, around a 15x relative volume, which is great. Maybe more than that, but we are moving down. We are still gapping up though. No news. Hexo agrees to buy 211 million in Hexo. So Tilray agrees to buy. So they are going to be, that is another top stock to watch. So right now our top two stocks to watch are TNXP, HEXO, and we do also have INDO as well. But we are just going to be sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity here. I do like TNXP is my top stock to watch for sure. We're getting a lot of volume, a lot of buying pressure, getting a lot of area. I mean, we're coming up, we hit that 30 cent target. Well, to see where this stops actually. And then, I mean, break over 30 cents, we have room at the 35 and then potentially even 40 and then potentially even 45. So that's what we're looking for TNXP. Again, we closed yesterday at 19 cents. We're going to be trading. All right. Good morning. We're not really seeing anything. We had Josh make a trade on INDO for $130 in profit, which is great. We are actually going to just see what is going to pop off and see what's going to take the volume. Thank you guys for stopping in on the TikTok. And let me know what stocks you guys are watching, and if you guys could also like the stream. Sorry, I wanted to flip my camera so it's actually how it's oriented right. Yeah, let me know what experience you have in trading, where you guys are from, and let me know the likes, because I mean, really right now we're waiting for a good opportunity. We have TNXP and HEXO as the top stocks to watch. But right now we're not seeing any trade develop, so we are going to just chill on our hands and wait for a good opportunity. We have around 24 minutes left till market open, so we have a lot of talk. We can talk a lot about what's going on. Let's go ahead and cover what crypto's doing today. VXV kind of getting just, man. Quant getting a nice bounce. MTV getting a nice bounce. Oh, you could have done an arbitrage trade there because on CoinStop it says that it's over a penny. So what's with Bitcoin? Bitcoin's at 44. I mean, I do think Bitcoin has more room lower. I really do. We haven't even come back and touched the 9 EMA or 20 EMA for a retest after this big move. What about Ethereum? What's Ethereum doing? Same thing. Decreasing volume to the downside, though. So I like that there's not a lot of selling pressure. Ideally, there is selling pressure, but it's not high. Fnko. Let's go ahead and take a look. Fnko. Very choppy on the daily. Honestly, I mean, we are holding a low. We're holding a higher low. I would like to see us break this previous high at 18.17 and a trend line. That would send us up to 20 bucks. Break 20, room to 21, 22, and then most resistance at 23. So I do like Fnko. Again, this is, we're gonna have to, I don't know how this moves with the overall market, but it looks possible we could see a nice bullish move here. We'll have to see. We have TNXP. I do think we have decreasing volume to the upside, so I do like to, I think we are going to move lower. The volume weighted average price has been following though, so I do like that. The volume weighted average price is following along, which is exactly what we like to see. Knowing that's telling me that people are buying the volume at that price, so it's still good. If it's far away from VWAP, we could expect a pullback. Let's go ahead and adjust VWAP. So we have VWAP. VWAP is close on INDO, Hexo, IMPP. It's pretty far away from KRBP. So what's going on with KRBP? Again, I do think we might bounce off the 200 SMA, potentially on the around 90 cents, but I'm not going to take this below $1, really. Thank you guys, thank you. I mean, right now I'm not really seeing anything too much. You guys could like the stream. Let's try to get to 100 likes. Thank you so much. Let's do it. I know we can. And we have around 20 minutes left till market open. Sitting on our hands, waiting for a good opportunity. We're going to be disciplined traders. We are going to be focused traders. We are only going to take the best setups. We are not going to fall for all these shitty C setups. And why would we? If we could just play it patiently and make money. So thank you guys for stopping in. I mean with cryptocurrency movement up, I do think we're going to see it pull back slightly. Oh, I don't even have my there it is. Okay, I can see now. I mean, we're just sitting on our hands waiting for Hexo, TNXP, nothing. Again, we're not really sitting. We're just sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Not really just playing it, you know, safe. We also have some volume coming in on TNXP. I do think we're going to have a slight pullback here, but this looks very strong. The buyers are very, very strong. We have higher relative volume today, which is good. Gapping up 42% at the moment, around 45 now. Let's see if we break this high. It looks like we just did. We'll see what happens. I mean, we have a big seller. He's trying to sell 170,000 shares at 28. Trying to sell 100. If we see this 28 get cracked, I might actually look to trade this here. If we see 28 get cracked, I might be able to. Let's see 28 get cracked. There's 28. There's the crack. There's the crack higher. Didn't really get that explosive movement that I thought we were going to out of 2028. Let's see what happens. And again, how much is 1%? Okay. Yeah, so wasn't able to get my order typed up in time, which is okay because it didn't really work out. I wasn't really going to take it anyways. I was just going to see how the price action is, and if it's actually perfect, then I might take it, but I wasn't seeing it, so. All right. We're not really, again, we're sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. If you guys could like the stream, TikTok pushes the algorithm more. Let's try to get to 100 likes. Thank you. And if you could also share, copy link. Thank you. I'm also live on YouTube. We're at 28. It looks like, let's see if we can continue to rip. We have decreasing volume, but I would like to see this close pretty high. I mean, on the 15-minute chart, I do think we have more room lower for TNXP. I think this is a scam wick. There's not a lot of volume in here. So, I mean, I really think they were just taking out the liquidation. Now we're moving up into there. Look like we're going to see, we have a rising wedge. I do think we're going to pull back. I want to see a nice washout, maybe down to 25 cents potentially. Yeah, so I mean, I would be looking for a nice washout long potentially at 25 cents. We might be able to see it, a nice bounce. Again, I'd be looking to catch maybe 2, 3, 4 cents maximum. I'm only gonna be able, I would have to plan everything perfectly because I would only be able to risk less than, I would be able to risk like 1. SAVA, let's go ahead and give it a look. SAVA. If you guys could also like the stream, I'd really appreciate it. I mean, really, I'm not a huge fan of SVAA. Right now, we've been just moving sideways. I'm not liking it. This is not, I don't really have any really predictions or what I think could happen. We do have a higher low, but it looks like it is just following the market. The overall market has just been ripped up. I don't really see any volume in this candle. If I saw volume in this doji candle, I would assume that it's going to be more bullish, but I'm not seeing that. So SAVA is definitely one that I am not going to make a prediction on just because it's not in my strategies, not in my playbook. So why would I try to say something that I don't know? You know what I mean? It's just not worth it. We have INDO ripping. They're not ripping, just getting some more bullish momentum. Could be a bull flag. Don't like this high volume doji candle. That's a little scary. Not scary, but that's a little worrying. So I'm not going to take it. And we're still ripping on TNXP. I mean, still fucking ripping. I love it. What's your trading strategy, bro? So I use the bull flag, I use the halt strategy, and I use downtrend breaks. Those are my 3 strategies. I use the bull flag. I also use washout long every once in a while, but washout long, bull flags, and halt strategies. Those are my main trading strategies. Downtrend breaks when it's a perfect setup, but usually I just do bull flags. Bull flags are my main one. And again, my bull flags are very simple, but I have the emotional advantage over people who are in the trade and are down. You have the emotional edge over people. When I come in knowing that I know my risk to reward, I know what's going on, I see the volume, so this helps with my prediction, helps with my analysis, what's going on, but I have that emotional edge and I don't have to worry about it. I just let it play out. I can take a loss because I use my risk management. In bull flags is when a lot of emotions are, when a stock is ripping, the emotions are quick. So having that emotional edge over your competitors is crazy, and that is what my edge is. I mean, And that is what I use for these strategies. Yes, these strategies are what I use to make money or make good trades, but the emotional edge is where I actually shine. And again, I'm always learning. So I'm not saying that my emotions are on point, but I'm saying that my emotions are in check a lot of the times. And I think about it. If I tap my foot, okay, I looked here a little bit too long. How are you feeling? I'm not a Forex trader. I am not a Forex trader. We're up at 29 for TNXP. Coming into some resistance at 30. We have around 12 minutes until market opens. We're sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Market bottom yet, bro? Talk about that. Let's look at the market. No idea. I have no idea if the market's a bottom or not. So, yeah, so I mean, why would I try to time the bottom of the market when we have no idea what's going to happen? I have no idea. Traders have no idea what's going to happen to a stock. They just have probabilities that are leveraging their probabilities in their favor. So to be honest, I have no idea if the market falls or not. I could give two shits because I trade stocks that have catalysts and are moving without the market, whether the market's up or down. Then they're trading volume. And the best advice that I can give if you want to be in this industry of trading is put your head down and focus on the statistics. Focus on the numbers of your trading. Keep crash or invest. I keep investing. I mean, I don't invest in stocks. I trade stocks, but I invest in crypto. Now, the best advice that I can give: go into a simulator, log your trades. Now, with every single trade, write out it in paragraph form. I entered here. This is why I entered. This is why I looked up. My stops were here because of this level, this level, this level. This is what happened. This is what I was feeling in the moment. This is why you'll get better understanding your emotions while you're in a trade. But yeah, I mean, it's very hard to get trading. Very hard. And it's all emotional intelligence. It's not technical knowledge. You can have all the technical knowledge in the world, but if you don't have that emotional intelligence, you will not be profitable. Gonna short oil? Yes. Why would you short it? I would buy it. Usually oil goes up in a war. It depends what it is today. If you have a setup and a strategy for today. We have TNXP all the way up at 30 cents now. I do like this. We have Can. They release quarter four earnings. We have a new high at 6. We absolutely ripped up from 6. Oh my gosh, we just ripped up like 20 cents. Be careful. A high float at 90 million. Oh my gosh, we just ripped up like 40 cents. Guys, actually Can just absolutely ripped. We're up 26% now. Can is probably one of the new top stocks to watch at the moment. We have TNXP, Can. Those are, oh, there was the dump from Can. TNXP, looking for a nice washout long for it to continue higher. That's what I'm looking at. BNB, how you doing? Let's look at BNB. Oops. Oh, okay. You're talking about Binance. Let me go ahead and look up Binance real quick. All right. Let's go ahead and look. BNB USDT. We had high volume on this doji candle. That's what I like to see. Decreasing volume. I do think we're going to see a slight pullback, maybe a retest of 387 of these levels, maybe even of 392. And if we can hold this level again, it's going to move with the overall market. If the market can hold, I think we're going to see it back up to around 484, maybe this 200 SMA to come back and retest. Can you please mention more? If yes, how can I keep in touch? Yeah, so I'm not really, am not really a mentor because it just takes too much out of my day, but I am a trader inside of chat, in a trader as well as going live streaming. I can help in chat, and I obviously help with everything. We have 120 video lessons in alpha, and I mean, I'm not gonna try to sell you something that's not meant for you. So I can give you a follow, and we can talk about if you're interested in joining alpha, and we can message about it. But we're gonna make sure that it's right for you. Make sure that you're in the right place to have all of this education. If you're in the right place, and if you're not in the right place, and if you do join alpha, then it's no use. So we have to first figure out if you have the time to trade, when you're trading, how you want to trade, and if everything works out, then I think alpha day trading is a perfect opportunity because we have plenty of people in chat all supporting each other, and it's actually a chat room made for traders. It's not a Discord. I can actually show you the alpha Discord. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Adriana and Devin. Woo! Fuck yeah. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right. Yeah, so here's alpha. I have it here. Here's the chat room. Get our scanners as well. Those are $2,400 scanners that you get. These pop-up stocks that are key for our strategy. So we have these scan the market for any strategy that we best fit. Then you have Josh Howerton trading. You get his email. His webcam's down right now, but usually has it up. We have our tickers. We got our video lessons library where any member can access all of our latest videos and load more. We have over 100 videos. We probably have over 100, 120, 130 hours of videos that you can watch. Shorting stocks, volume profile, live stream, support and resistance. We have so many different avenues where you can learn in alpha. That's what we do, but I'm not gonna. Really no point in joining it if you're not in the right situation. You join it. That's what I mean. All right, guys, we have 5 minutes left till market open. We're gonna see what really is taking the volume, taking the traders, and I think it's going to be TNXP. I'm going to be looking for a nice washout long off VWAP off 26 cents. I'm going to take around 4,000 shares, looking for a nice 1 to 2 cent pop, maybe if I can get 2 cents off of that, that would be perfect. 2 cents would be a great trade if I can catch 2 cents with 4,000 shares. Thank you for the mini speaker. Thanks. I've never even got a mini speaker. Hushwire 20, thank you so much. Guys, we're almost at 2,000 likes. Let's get to 2,500. Then I'm going to reload alpha. All right, guys. Are you in a long position? I don't know anything about stocks. Yeah, so I'm not in any position right now. Stocks and crypto, they're the same thing. Technical wise, the volume, price action, everything, the technical information is all the same. But I just trade stocks because there's less volatility and I actually know the market and I can have a lot more tools. I have a level 2, I have live news, I have the scanners. Here on YouTube, like Josh Howerton is showing the poll right now, but the scanners, I get these scanners which pick out the stocks in the whole stock market, and they are the ones that fit my criteria for what stocks that I'm trading. So I have everything set up to be and just ready for an equities and option or stock market trader. $2,500, there it is, quick. Thank you, Adriana. Thank you, Devin. Thank you guys, anybody else who's sending likes. When was that? 3,000. I mean, we have 2 minutes left till market open, guys. We're going to see what happens. I mean, I'm looking for a nice washout long down to 26. I'm looking for a nice washout here. Join the bid. Where's join? I don't even know where to. I don't even have join the bid. Sell the ask. Here we go. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. We have around 12 seconds left. Four seconds. Here we go, guys. 4,000 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for the tennis ball. We're at 4,000 likes. Let's see what we're doing. There was a nice washout. Wasn't quick enough. Was way too fast. Watch out for a nice panic pop here. We're getting a nice pop. TNXP, where's this gonna go? Right now, buyers and sellers are mixed. I think we're gonna see it rip, but I'm too hesitant to buy now. I'm too hesitant at the moment. I'm not gonna trade. Right now, I'm not really seeing anything. We have TNP. There it is. TNXP with a nice dump. Not a lot of volume. There's the quick pop. 2750 potentially. Let's see it come down into this level again. Let's see it come down into this level again. Nice double bottom on the tick. This is not a good setup. Not going to take it. It's not an A+ setup, I should say. I like this decreasing volume pullback. I like this decreasing volume pullback. Looking at a nice 27.20. Here we go. Here we go. I want to see another pullback here into this level. Nice pop, and then a pullback into this level, these lower wicks. Right now, if there was 3%. I missed the entry. I'm trying to join the bid. Wasn't able to get filled. Wasn't able to get filled. Decreasing volume. I want to see a higher low on the tick chart. We have a nice pivot low here. It's a great day to make a great trade. It is a great day to make a great trade. Again, all you're doing is making sure good trades. You don't need to worry about the money. Just look for good trades, and you will be profitable. See if we can get a nice bounce here. I'm still too early. I don't want to be the guinea pig. $27.01, we have a good buying wall. Let's see if let's see if the buyers can hold it here. I want to see some volume start to step in on this candle. If we don't see volume start to step in, I might not take this trade. There are around 20 seconds left on this candle. We're getting a nice bounce. Decreasing volume though. All right. There was a great bounce, increasing volume. I'm in with 2,000 shares here. Looking for the break. I might look for another 2,000. Not getting it. I'm risking below low a day. Putting a hard stop in place here. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out. I'm stopped out. That was a very, very bad trade. Very bad trade. Don't know why I fucking entered there, but it's okay. Don't know why I entered there. Bad trade, took a loss, 18 bucks, nothing crazy. I was looking for the nice break, increasing volume, but we did get rejected off the 9 and 20 EMA. I was looking for the crack, but that's okay. I took a bad trade. So I've been taking trades the past 2 days, 2 trades that I shouldn't have taken, which is okay. Just not really seeing anything. I didn't have a catalyst to enter that trade, but it's okay. I lost less than my stop was less than 1 cent away, but I was able to. So my stop was in a good position. Why so many indicators? I really only have moving averages, VWAP, and RSI. I don't really use the RSI too much. Not too many indicators, but I just have a lot of screens showing multiple different things. This is just my watch list in the top left, and then down below is everything that I'm looking at for the same stock. So this is all the same stock. This chart, this chart, this chart, and this chart. The selling pressure is dying off dramatically. Looking for a nice pullback into 25. Getting some volume over VWAP. Watch for the false breakout. Let's see if TNXP can get... Looks like buyers are starting to jump into this. We're getting volume. Looking forward to make a higher low. Looking forward to make a higher low, then I'm going to look to enter. Spreads right now are really close, which is what I like to see. Looking for a higher low here. Looking for a higher low. Broke that previous high, decreasing volume, but I want to see a higher low. I want to see this hold. We have a minute and a half until this 5-minute candle closes. About high volume doji candle here. Looks like we're going to have more room lower. We'll have to see selling people who are bought. I mean, people are looking to sell now. I mean, we'll see what happens. We got a nice fake out off the VWAP. Let's see if this can actually hold. We're getting some volume to come in here. Higher volume, lower spread. Look for a pullback here for a nice potential play. We have around a minute left until this candle closes on the 5-minute. Let's see some volume start to come in. There's the dump. There's the dump. Let's see if I can. Let's see if there's any chance for me to jump in here. I want to see decreasing volume. I want to see another pullback down to 26 or 27 potentially. Get rid of all these sellers. Get rid of all these sellers. Looking for a higher low with the break of the downtrend for TNXP. Risking around 2 cents. Or around 6%. A little bit more than I wanted to. A little bit more than I want. I didn't get filled at my level. I'm not getting filled. Didn't get filled. There, I'm in. I'm in with 2,000 shares. What? Oh, I'm in with the rest. Let's see this hold. Let's see this hold. Not liking this VWAP move. Not liking this at all. Very light volume. I want to see this hold. Let's see this low. Let's see this bottom hold. I entered really early on this trade. A little bit too much. My average price is 27.18. I like this. I want to see more volume start to step in here. I want to see a higher low with the break up to 130. We have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Looking for a nice pop here. Here we go. There's the pop. Let's see. I'm going to sell some as we come into, as we break out of the downtrend. 28.38. And then sell more as we come up into 29 and then 30 cents if we can get the pop. INDO did get a nice pop here. Not looking like it's gonna. Ooh. When we break over 27, my stops are going higher. My stops are going to go at 26. Break over 27.33. Break over. There it is. All right, my stops are tighter now. Looking for this to crack. I'm going to sell some at 28.2. I'm going to sell some at 28.2. Looking for the pop. We have that nice pop there. Here we go. Let's get this popping. It has to break on this candle. We got to keep it. I'm moving my stops to break even. My stops are at break even. I don't care if I get stopped out. I got stopped out at break even. That's fine. It didn't break there, got rejected. So I mean, of course, right when I get stopped out, it rips. Ripping up, very choppy. Looks like it's about to crack higher. And of course, it hits my take profit. Would have been profitable on the day, team. Would have been up on the day. Cut it really way too early. All right, guys, I'm going to end the stream here. If you guys are still interested in the stream, go over to alphadaytrading.com or go to the link in my bio. If you guys also are interested in a project that is giving 300% APY, hit the link in my bio and go to the Alethi AI Discord. So go check them out. They're doing artificial intelligence NFTs where I can talk to them, where they can interact with them. They can do tasks for me. They can make art, music. But if you are interested in their project at all, they're also doing a giveaway. They're giving away a NFT for free. Go ahead and hit the link in my bio and go to Alethi AI Discord. It's the first one there. You'll see it. It's shaking back and forth. I'm not sponsored by them, but I do really like the project. And I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Want to get started?